Hi, welcome to S&L Unplugged. Today we're going to be making buffalo chicken stuffed sweet potatoes. We will be air frying the sweet potatoes and pressure cooking the chicken. So we have dual appliances today just to show you for demonstration purposes and to save a little bit of time. What you're going to need are, for the sauce, mayonnaise, ranch dressing, hot sauce, garlic, and salt. For your chicken breasts, usually 2 of them will suffice. Some black pepper, salt, and a little bit of whatever seasoning you would like. We're going to use Northwoods. For the sweet potatoes, you're going to use just simply oil and salt. The sweet potatoes, usually 3 or 4, whatever fits in your air fryer. Now I am preparing the sweet potatoes to be air fried. You want to make sure that you wash your sweet potatoes really good and poke holes through them. And then you're going to oil them and salt them. Now it's time to put the sweet potatoes into the air fryer. You want to make sure that these are in a single layer, so you want to make sure that they fit in there. And we do have some odd shaped ones this time, but that is what you get when you get curbside grocery pickup and somebody else shops for you, but that's okay. They fit nicely in a single layer in the Ninja Foodie air fryer. Okay, it's time to air fry the sweet potatoes. Sometimes it's good to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes at the temperature that you will need to be cooking at. We are going to be air crisping, so we're going to hit the air crisp button. We do need it to be at 390 for this recipe, and it needs to be for 35 minutes. And we will need to turn them halfway through. Now we're going to prepare the chicken breasts for pressure cooking. We're going to season them on both sides with a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper, and a seasoning of your choice. It's now time to pressure cook the chicken. First, we want to make sure that the Instant Pot pressure cooker has 1 cup of water to protect the bottom of the pot. And then you're going to put the chicken in directly into that water. I know it seems weird, but that's what you do. And you're going to put your lid on, lock it, make sure it's in the sealed position, and this is going to cook on manual high for 7 minutes. Manual high 7. Now it's time to make the yummy sauce. What you need is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing, a half a teaspoon of garlic, a half a teaspoon of salt, all of which I've already put into the bowl. And the one last thing you're going to want to do is add hot sauce of your choosing and to taste. Okay, the chicken has naturally released for 5 minutes, and I've already done a quick release. Now it's time to make sure that the temperature of the chicken is correct, which should be 165. Time to shred. Once you have all of your chicken shredded, it's time to put it into the buffalo sauce. It's time to serve it up. Put your chicken on it and top with some scallions. Thanks for joining S&L Unplugged. Be sure to subscribe and hit the alert bell for notifications. Enjoy. Okay, it's time to now it's time to put the sweet potatoes into the air fryer. Okay, it's now to... Who knows what time it is? Okay.
Action.
What am I saying?